Hi everyone, in this video I will be reading a Happy Day book, God Made Farm Animals. We'll visit a farm and there we will see the animals God made for you and me. The gentle brown cow greets us with a moo. Perhaps she is saying, well, how do you do? Here is a pony to ride when we play. When he gets hungry, the farmer gives him hay. The farmer's alarm clock is not by his bed. It's the cock-a-doodle-doo of a rooster named Fred. Who's lazy and fat and just loves to dig? The answer is easy. It's the farmer's pink pig. We see a squirrel hiding nuts in the ground. In winter he'll eat all the nuts he has found. Here is the kitten who sleeps in the hay. Her job is to keep all the mice away. This hen's smooth feathers are pure snowy white. We feed her grain, and she clucks with delight. The baby raccoon's in a tree, oh so tall. He hangs from a limb, but we don't think he'll fall. We must look quickly to see the baby deer. This fawn will run away if we try to come near. This deer lives in the woods near the farm. God makes him swift to keep him from harm. When we walk in the garden, it's all warm and sunny. We look in the lettuce and see a white bunny. The farmer's best friend is always by his side. His dog on the tractor is waiting for a ride. This baby goat likes to be fed. We'll feed him and pet him on his knobby head. This goat looks so funny with horns on his head. They say he'll eat cans or anything he's fed. Here are the geese who honk when they talk. This goose mom and dad take their babies for a walk. If a farm duck gets hot, he knows which road to take. He waddles on down and jumps in the lake. Here is a woolly sheep waiting patiently. We'll give his soft head a pat and go on merrily. God gave this burro such big floppy ears. He looks so funny, we wonder what he hears. Who leaves their cocoon and takes to the sky, then sits on a flower? This butterfly. The robin has babies in a tree up so high. She'll feed them and love them and teach them to fly. Visiting the farm is sure lots of fun. We go to the meadow to see horses run. It's time to leave all the animals we see, the farm animals God made for you and for me. The end. Thank you for watching.